Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to my fellow friends and my beloved lecturer, Point Professor Maja Dr. Azidah Sidin. My name is Shafikah binti Shahbudin and I'm taking education art in USM, and today I would like to present my topic, which is the computational thinkers, concept and approaches. I choose creating design to teach my student. So, first of all, what is computational thinkers? Computational thinkers is a problem-solving process that includes a number of characteristics such as logically ordering and analyzing data and creating solutions using a series of ordered steps for algorithm and with complexity and open-ended problem. So, to start my teaching process, I will start for induction step. Okay, subject I will teach is history. My topic is Islam in Southeast Asia. Time 1 hour, and form 4 I will teach. So in my induction set, my student already have knowledge about the topic. So, in induction set, the teacher continues to show picture for students guessing the picture of the countries involved in the theory of Islamic arrival in Southeast Asia. Such as in picture, we can do a puzzle to make my student guessing the country that involved in theory in Southeast Asia. So it will make them to memorize and to excited on what will going to my teaching session. Moreover, teachers also displays relevant videos to strengthen and open the student interest in learning and attract student interest in learning about the topic, because we show the picture and make our student attract to the picture and be more focused on what what I will teach them. So, the step I will do in my teaching session in creating is for the step 1, me as a teacher will divide students into group. It will make them to communicate with other friends and will make them active compared to them more today will more passive in class. So teacher will divide students into groups. Teacher introduce them and give a reference book related to history each group. Teachers instruct them to find information related to the history of the Islamic adventures found in the reference books and not forget in the textbooks. So the second step I will use in creating design is teachers will guide students to find material and resources in reference books and also in textbooks. Students will collect the material and do the mind map or do in peta writing to make it easier for them to present in front of class and will make other friends be more creative and uh, be more fun in my classroom. So each group will volunteer one student to ask the presenter about the materials and able to ask them questions about the topics. The presenter also will answer the questions, and the rest student also can give their opinion or can elaborate their answers. So it will make more answer in one topic that can other student know more about the topics. Next, students makes a small conclusion and teachers add their answer to strengthen the students' knowledge. Me as a teacher also must know extra about the topics, and student also can add my knowledge and we can share the knowledge about the topics. At last, teachers also ask them to collect the materials and put it into a scrapbook. So it will make the topics will be more fun and will be more colorful and will make them to read again and to know about the knowledge again. So in my conclusion in creating design is students collaborate with their friends and teachers to finish the task. Uh, from the group that I have divided before, students can elaborate and can communicate with their friends and to finish the task easily. So from the brainstorming session, will help students to generate idea and think critically. Each of student needs to work in group and instill moral values. So not just they will finish their task, also in groups. In grouping, they will also can generate more moral values and can make their communication with their friends more can communication with their friend will be more good. In collaborating, it is not just with their friends but also with elders and environment. So that's all for me today. Thank you.